keep on. I think to speed up the process, you probably want to put more salt. So just gonna put some more salt. So I'm gonna put more salt in. Just gotta open this. Just pour some in. So that's good. I hope this works. So this would speed up the process and make it colorful. So what the heck? Oh, come on. I think it ain't closing good. Okay, it's leaking a little. Yeah, there's a hole. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, 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 cold. Cold, cold, cold. Just... This is getting cold. I think it's getting thicker. Yeah, I think I feel it getting thicker. Oh, I never took all the air out. No wonder. So let me take all the air out. It's frozen. So you basically want it to turn to water, I guess. Mostly. And then you want it to get frozen. Okay, so... Cold. This might be like 6 minutes of shaking. So. Okay. Just keep on shaking. Yeah, I think it's getting, it's getting much thicker. Looks like, it feels like it. So it feels like it's getting much thicker. So we're just gonna keep on shaking. And yeah. So, oops. I keep on picking up this other towel. Here. Shaking. This gets really cold, so I would put gloves on or just a little. Shaking. Cold. And again, sorry about the background noise. It's late at night, so tomorrow I have school. So I'm just gonna really quick just maybe look at this real quick. Just maybe take it out. Just see what it looks like so far. It's gotten much thicker, I think. Okay. It's gotten sort of thick. It's really thick. I'm just gonna run my hands under some hot water. Okay. Just gonna close this. Keep on shaking. so it's not that cold after I rinse my hands, but if you hold it too long, it gets really cold. So, just gonna... And once this is done, if it works, I'm gonna have Z taste it, because I don't like vanilla ice cream. So, I'm just gonna have Z taste it. Just gonna shake it. Shake it real well. Oops. And again, I can't really skip this part because I don't know how. Because I'm new and I'm new on YouTube. I've only been doing this for a few days now. And our goal is to try to reach 50 subscribers, if not at least 20 or 30. So please subscribe. And I recently put up a video how to make Play-Doh with flour and water. So check that video out. Whoa. Oh, there's the bag. So, maybe like 2 minutes, and then I'm just gonna take it out and try it, I guess. I'm gonna get Z over here, just start trying it, so. Have him over soon. So, let's keep on shaking. And you probably can do this at home because most of these ingredients you basically have at your house. Usually you have milk and half. Sugar, you always have ice usually. Not always salt or Ziploc bags or vanilla extract. Like, and chocolate syrup or chocolate chips. I didn't have that, so... Well, I really wanted to make chocolate ice cream, but I didn't have any chocolate syrup or chocolate chips or any chocolate things, so yeah. Just gonna, maybe I'll add some more salt because this is taking too long. Just gonna add more salt here. Just gonna open this one. They're numb. They're so numb. Okay, so just add more salt. You're gonna need a lot of salt in this. Sometimes you don't usually have salt. This we just opened, so it's pretty heavy. So, just keep on mixing. This should start that. Yeah. I forgot to stir it again. My bag's leaking. Yeah, it's leaking. Shit. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna get a bowl and just open this and see if it's done. So now I have to keep on mixing. Okay. It feels pretty thick. Yeah, that looks like ice cream. So, just move this. We'll take it out. Okay, so I have a bowl and a spoon here. I'm gonna open it. So, okay, that worked out pretty well. It smells like vanilla extract, but it's pretty smooth. Just pour that into a bowl. It's soft. If you shake it more, it probably gets harder, like ice cream, but it's like a soft serve. I got some ice cream in. Take them. Okay. Just get all of it out. Z, you want to test some ice cream?
Sure.
Okay, Z's gonna come test the ice cream. So, it looks like mashed potatoes, but it looks really good.
Let's taste it.
So, Z is just gonna taste it. Does it taste like vanilla?
It does taste like vanilla.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Bring more.
Okay, can I taste it? I've tasted vanilla before. That really does taste like vanilla. I think if you were to do chocolate, I wouldn't add vanilla extract because I think that gets it the vanilla flavor, or I don't know. So, please subscribe, comment, and like. What should we do next? Any gaming videos, crafts, anything you want. Bye.